Hello, in this video we'll be looking at how to solve problems like this. This is a GCSE question, November 2021, and because it's GCSE question, I will always advise students to use the particular pattern that GCSE love the most, unlike the regular way we approach it by just solving one part, leaving the other part. So in doing so, let's take a look at this. All the terms here are in fraction. So the very first thing to do is to look for the LCM of all the denominators, including the one at the right hand side, 533. So the LCM of this gives us 15. Let's take note of that. LCM is 15. Now we know this. We then have to multiply this 15 by each of the terms in this equation. We multiply 15 by each of the terms in this equation. So let's say we have it as a 2x minus 1 over 5. We are to multiply it by 15, which is the LCM. So multiply by 15 plus 4x plus 5, which is also being multiplied by 15 divided by 3. And the same thing is going to be done to this 15 multiplied by 20 over 3. Now that we've done that, so we can say 5 goes here, that will be 3, 5 goes here, 1. So it becomes 3 open bracket 2x minus 1. We do the same thing. 3 goes here, 1. 3 goes here, 5. So this becomes plus 5 open bracket 4x plus 5. We close the bracket equals, so here we can as well say 3 goes here, 1. 3 goes here, 5. So this also becomes 5 multiplied by 20. So we've been able to reduce this. Now what we need to do is to open the bracket, that is, we expand, then it becomes 6x minus 3 plus, when we multiply this, that will be 20x plus 25 equals 100. So the next thing for us to do in this is to collect the like terms. Collect like terms. That is, those terms that look alike, let's pack them to one side. The other terms that also look alike in the other way, let's pack them to the other side. We see here that there are some terms that have x. So let's take them to the left hand side. And the terms without x, let's take them to the right hand side. That is what we mean by collecting like terms. So this becomes 6x plus 20x equals 100. This is positive 25 at the left hand side. When we take it to the right hand side, it becomes negative 25. That's negative 25. This is negative 3 at the left hand side. When we take it to the right hand side, it becomes positive 3. So we do this. Then we have 26x equals, when we subtract this is 75 plus 3, that's 78. So it's getting simplified. Now what we need to do here is to divide both sides by 26. We divide both sides by 26. That is, x will now be equals to 78 divided by 26. So for a start, you may not be able to phantom directly when you divide this, but you can try dividing through by 2. You can say 2 goes in 26. It gives you 13. Then 2 goes here. That gives us 30. 2 goes in 7. That's 3. I mean that 2 goes here. That's 39. Very good. So you can now say, now looking at this, 13 can go in 13, and in 39, 13 can as well go in that one. That means x equals 13 goes here, that will be 3. X equals 3. Therefore, we can say x is that value of x. 3 is that value of x that satisfy this equation. This is a very good approach for a GCSE question in this manner. If you enjoyed this video, try to like, share, and as well subscribe for more interesting videos like this.